Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MP499 or 499 series printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but we're going to just open up Edge for today's tutorial. And you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP499 and then support. So 499 basically. And go ahead and search for that. Best result should say Canon and Canon support for PIXMA MP499. Go ahead and select that. And then you should see some information about the printer up at the top. You can review the manual if you would so choose to do so. But we're going to scroll down underneath software and drivers and expand that section in here. You can see additional items, so you can select the operating system and version number if it doesn't agree with what you are being displayed with down here. And you want to select the My Printer file listed under here, and then the download button. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and open that up to run that file or the installer. Should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes. You can close out of the web browser and select next for this installer. Select the correct region and then country. You want to accept the end user license agreement, and then we're going to select next. And then once that's done, we can create a shortcut on the desktop by selecting complete and having that check marked. And then hopefully your printer should be configured correctly. If you're still having a problem, you can open up that utility we just downloaded and diagnose and repair our printer from here. But hopefully that will not be necessary in your case. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.